In this video, you will learn Block Blast tips and tricks. First, plan your moves carefully. Take time to plan your moves before making any moves. Look ahead and try to create larger block combinations to clear more space and earn more points. Focus on clearing large groups first. Clearing larger groups of blocks, such as 4 to 5 blocks at once, will earn you more points. This can help you unlock special power-ups. Use power-ups wisely. Save your power-ups for tougher levels when you are stuck. Use bombs, colour blasters or other power-ups to reach your area and large sections of blocks, all in one move. Chain reactions are key. Look for opportunities to create chain reactions, where one set of blocks causes the other set of blocks to fall into place to create a new match. Pay attention to the goals. Each level in Block Blast has specific goals, e.g. clear a certain number of blocks, collect certain coloured tiles. Focus on these goals rather than just clearing the blocks aimlessly. Do not rush. Take your time and avoid rushing your moves. It's easy to get caught up in the speed of the game, but make hasty decisions can cost you valuable points and potential combinations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.